going to be showing you how to create a mouse trail with a sprite, and also how you can make patterns on the screen with the trail that you make. Okay, the first step is to create a sprite that will follow around your mouse. So I chose a ball for my sprite. I'm going to go over here to costumes and change it to blue because I like blue. And then you can make it any color you want. You can pick any sprite. And I'm going to say when the green flag is clicked, I'm going to go to the mouse pointer. And then I'm going to add in a forever loop to make sure that the code continues to run. And I'm going to say that the sprite is always going to point towards the mouse pointer, and it's going to move whatever distance it is from the mouse pointer. So it's always moving to the mouse pointer. And I'm also going to add in a control that's going to make it wait a little bit. That's enough time. It's a very short time, but basically this makes sure your mouse isn't on top of the sprite when you're moving it around, and that the sprite is a little bit behind it. So there we go. Okay, the second step now is to create a clone, to create clones of the sprite to make a trail behind it. So we need to add in this block where it will create a clone of myself. I'm going to add it to this forever block and just put it at the top. And then we're going to add this new block when I start as a clone. And then I'm going to add this repeat block, and I'm going to say repeat 50 times. And then I'm going to go over here to looks, and this is what's going to create the trail. And I'm going to say, I'm going to change the ghost effect by 10, and this makes it a little bit transparent. Yeah, there we go. So now you've created a trail. And another thing that I want to do is I want to change the color. So I'm going to also add a change color effect, and you can make it by 10, it will look like this, or you can make it 25. Let's try again. And the colors are different, it's more like a rainbow, so you can play around with those. The third and final step of this is to add a pen extension so that you can create a pattern with your trailing sprite. So we're going to go down here in the bottom left corner and you just click on this pen extension. Sorry. And then we're going to go to control. This is really fun and interesting. So we're going to first go to control, and you have this function here, if then. So we don't want it to be drawing on the screen like whenever we move our mouse around. So I'm going to say only if the mouse is pressed down, then it will draw something. And over here, there's this block, stamp. And this means whenever you press your mouse, whatever like image is on the screen, it will be sort of stamped onto the background. So it's like you're drawing something. And then if else, I'm going to say pen up. So it's not drawing anything anymore. And so you can see when I click it, it leaves that trail. So I'm clicking my mouse here, and that's what it looks like. And then another important thing is that we erase the screen once it starts again, so that when we restart it, it will have a new clean blank slate. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed, and I hope you have a lot of fun. Bye!